Di My Lovin' and Todo Por Ti.
Hey, if you want to extend the set, you should play Joel's new song. If you guys are comfortable.
What do you think?
And practice it right now during
I don't know.
I got you.
Hey, he said.
Okay. Let's do Todo Por Ti, man. Let's start.
You ready, Joe?
Yeah.
Sounded good, huh?
How does it sound out there?
Possible if your amp comes down a lot because it's so really loud and so high frequency.
Okay.
It's,
Yeah, no, I can turn the pedal down too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be better because
Alright.
the guitar was really the loud thing.
Gotcha, no worries.
Great, thank you very much.
The cable was getting out, huh?
A little bit.
It might be the input, no?
I think it's the jack. The
I think taping it up, dude, would be the best solution. That way it doesn't move around.
I mean, I already swapped it out because there was two in the case.
Okay.
So I think it might be the jack.
Tape so that it doesn't move around.
I don't know. I don't play this instrument.
It's stuck in the halfway to solo.
If you hear yourself not good enough, if you turn it down, I can put you even in the wedge.
Okay.
Then you hear yourself.
I did turn it down, and I just turned it down on the
Alright,
pedal as well.
alright, then let's try it. Just try it.
Is my lovin'? Or what?
Yeah. Check, check, check.
to get a brighter tone out of it.
I have the bass all the way down.
Oh shit.
And the treble, I have it cranked opposite, so bass is down and treble's all the way up.
There's nothing on that.
The bottom one's pretty good, but I don't think. Yeah, I don't know if it's the output track, but it's kind of it's like breaking up.
Maybe the input there.
Over
The
there?
amplifier, yeah.
Ja, aber gerade war es tatsächlich hier. Aber ist das Kabel, was du normalerweise auch benutzt, oder hast du noch ein anderes Kabel?
Es waren zwei drin.
Ja, aber welches nutzt du denn normalerweise?
Ich hatte ja, da waren zwei drin und dann dachte ich, das ist in Ordnung.
Ja, keine Ahnung, weiß ich nicht. Hast du das Kabel normalerweise?
Ich hab die anderen drin. Is there another cable over there?
Yeah, there was. I swapped it out because I thought it was this cable.
It was not the cable.
No,
I think he switched it out already.
Yeah,
I think I put in two.
yeah, there were two, yeah.
Okay, this is just for the rotor.
Oh yeah.
If you need it, I don't know.
No, I usually just play like straight.
Okay. The organ is in tune, so it often goes out of tune.
Oh, okay. No, it's okay.
It's okay? Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
no, that's rock and roll, man.
I thought I put it.
Yeah, no, there's a second one, I think, somewhere around here.
Oh, here's another one. Maybe this is better. It's a little shorter.
Is that the one that you're using?
No, that was the bar.
Oh, okay.
Oops.